Slidebean app: the pros, the cons. If you've ever struggled to create a professional-looking presentation quickly, Slidebean promises a solution, but is it the right tool for you? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking designing slides has to be complicated. Slidebean uses AI-powered templates to automatically format your content, making it easy to produce visually appealing slides in minutes. This is especially useful for startups pitching investors, students working on projects, or anyone who wants a polished presentation without spending hours on design. Another advantage is collaboration. The app allows multiple users to work on the same deck simultaneously, making it perfect for teams. You can also export presentations in PDF or PowerPoint format and even use analytics to see how viewers interact with your slides. However, there are cons. Some users report limited flexibility compared to traditional design tools like PowerPoint or Keynote. Customizing templates beyond what the AI offers can be tricky. Additionally, the free version has limited features, so serious users may need a paid subscription. In conclusion, the Slidebean app is ideal for anyone looking for fast, professional presentations without a steep learning curve. The surprising truth is that while it saves time and enhances design quality, heavy customization still requires other tools. For users who prioritize speed, aesthetics, and collaboration, Slidebean is a smart choice, but if you need complete creative control, it might not cover everything.